The Democratic Republic of Congo continues to battle a worsening Ebola outbreak as the cases continue to mount. Regions controlled by the M23 rebel group have introduced strict containment measures. The Director General of the World Health Organization says that there have been 220 suspected deaths in the current Ebola outbreak. Over 900 suspected Ebola cases have been identified in the Democratic Republic of Congo so far, including over 100 confirmed infections. Authorities in the country's rebel-held areas have imposed a mandatory 21-day quarantine for all people arriving from the city of Bunia and the Ituri province. This is in an effort to curb the spread of the virus. An Ebola outbreak was declared in Ituri on the 15th of May, with Bunia among the main areas affected. While infections remain on the rise, Bunia is facing a shortage of protective supplies, including masks and hand sanitizers. This is posing significant challenges to containment efforts. People residing in the affected province also say that the epidemic has heavily impacted their businesses.
Ebola is here. I'm wearing my face mask. I pray that this disease will pass. I'm losing a lot of money every day.
Uganda is our neighboring country, and Bunia isn't too far from the border. And they've just imposed a 2-week ban on public transport. There are no buses, there's no traffic, in fact.
As the crisis deepens, the government of the Democratic Republic of Congo and the rebel groups have started communicating through mediators. The U.S. and Qatar are acting as intermediaries so that both sides can coordinate their efforts to combat the Ebola outbreak. The World Health Organization's Director General says surveillance efforts have been significantly expanded. He adds that a delay in detecting cases may mean responders are now playing catch-up. The WHO has declared the outbreak of the rare strain of Ebola a public health emergency of international concern. Apart from the Democratic Republic of Congo, confirmed cases of Ebola infections have been reported in Uganda as well. Uganda confirmed 2 new cases of Ebola, bringing the total to 7 since the virus outbreak was discovered in the East African country. According to the Uganda Health Ministry, both new patients have been admitted to a designated treatment unit are now receiving care. The country declared an Ebola outbreak on the 15th of May. The outbreak has been caused by the Bundibugyo strain of the virus, which has no approved vaccine or treatments. Ebola has killed more than 15,000 people across Africa in the past half-century.